Okay? Pakitag lang yung mga hindi pa natatapos, ay hindi pa naka-enter. Okay, so let's just have a very, very, very quick review of what we are talking about a while back. So you mentioned a while back that you were confused with the noun and then the verb. So let's just have a very quick review. So we mentioned a while back that we can identify the noun form, the plural form of a noun if first we add s, we add es, or we change the spelling of the word. That is for the plural of nouns. You write it down so you won't get confused. Again, if it is a noun, to make the plural form, we change the spelling and we add s or es. That's under noun. I hope that is already clear. If it is a verb, that is the opposite. In the singular verb, we add s and we add es. If it is plural, we remove s and we remove es. Are we already clear with that? I hope so. So, like as an example, take a look. The dog is just one without s because that's a noun. When you put the es in the verb, that is already singular. That's the opposite of plural form. In the case of noun, we add s to make the plural. The plural verb, we remove the s. Klaro na po? Clear na ba? Wala akong kausap. Clear na po ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes po, ma'am.
Sure kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the game is already how fast you can answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Sige nga. So it's already according to how fast you can answer. So this is already the second time we're gonna play this one. So you need to do it very quickly, okay? So are you guys ready with your Kahoot? Sure. Okay, let's see. The pin is loading. The pin is loading. Okay. The Kahoot pin is, oh, sorry. This should be automatically off. Okay. The pin is 285443. Again, 285443. Okay, waiting. Oh, ladies, what did you say a while back? Habol tayo, right? Oh, Zach, tinalo ka ni Kurt Ivan on the last question. Oh, hinahamon ka ni Ivan, oh. Okay. Oh, Presley and Shello, bilis. Ulitin natin, the pin is 2854430. Okay. Wala nang sasali, sure kayo? May humabol. Okay. 12. 2854430. Sino ang wala? Nasaan na sila? Damdama, apos naman. Okay, ready?
Ma'am, ano? Pag-ulit nga po, ma'am.
285 4430. 285 4430. So again, I'm going to mention the choices according to how they appear. Okay? So the first one is red. So the first word that I'm going to mention is under red, followed by blue, next by orange or yellow, and then the green. Okay? So you have to remember the sequence. Red, blue, orange, and then green. So there are 15 players. Oh, balance. Balance. Okay. So ready na. Totoo na to ah. Ito na ang magiging basis natin. Okay. Ready? So the instruction is identify what is the plural form of the word that I'm going to mention. Okay, so you have to listen carefully because the way I say it would determine your answer. Are we clear on that? And then from the latter part, you're just going to tell me if the word is singular or plural. So the first that I'm going to say is a singular, that's under red, plural under blue. Nakakaintindihan tayo? Okay, so the game starts in 3, 2, and 1. Number 1, woman. Woman, women, womans, women's. Five, 4, 3, 2, and the correct answer is women. That's blue. Women. Nako. The plural form of woman is women. And there are 2 who were not able to get it correctly. Next question. Aba. Oh, Jeff. Okay, number 2. Cactus. What is the plural form of cactus? Cactuses, cactus, cacti, cactus. The correct answer is cacti. Oh, this is already the second time we're gonna play this one. You're kidding me. The correct answer, the plural form of cactus is cacti, not cactuses. This is change in spelling. Okay, let's see. Marian Azriel, come on. Others, hurry up. Next question. The word is goose. Geeses, gooses, goose, geese. The correct answer is geese. Change in spelling. Geese. The plural form of goose is geese. Sige. Number 4. What is the plural form of child? Childs, children, children's, children's. Okay, and the correct answer is children. Children. The correct form is children. Change in spelling. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 students who were not able to get that correctly. So please do not forget the plural form of child is children. Okay? Mm-hmm. And then, oh, number 10 has an error. Okay, let's proceed. Where are we? Okay. What is the plural form of leaf? Leaves, leaf, leaves, leave. Oh, at least. Oh, what happened to these three people? Are you kidding? The correct answer, leaves. V-E-S. Change in spelling. Okay, let's see. Number 6. Ta-da! But number 6. Number 6, they. Is it singular or plural? They. Singular, plural. They. Singular, plural. Oh, 3 students. I think same people. Same students. What happened? They, that's many. That's plural. Okay. Scoreboard. Di nagbabago yung scoreboard natin ah. Okay, let's see. Are. Are. Singular, plural. Singular, plural. The correct answer is ta-da! Oh, nabawasan yung dalawa. Okay, the correct answer is plural. The singular form of that is. Okay, next number. Number. Has. Singular, plural. Has. Singular, plural. Singular, plural. And the correct answer is, wait a second. Where are we? The correct answer is singular. What is the plural form of has? Have, with a V sound. Have. Scoreboard. What happened? What happened? Oh, I want to take that one. Okay, let's see. Gino-joke lang kayo ni Zach. Okay, next question. Students with an S, singular, plural. Students with an S, it's a noun, singular or plural. Plural. A noun with an S is plural. The correct answer is plural. Okay, let's see. Scoreboard. Kurt, Ivan. Oh, Zach, be careful. Where are the others? What happened? Pagdating dito, nalito na sila. Next one. Connection loss. Is. Singular, plural. Is. Where are you? Is. Is. Singular, plural. Isa lang nakakuha. The correct answer, wala. Baka nawala sila. Sige, let's see. Ma'am, lost connection. Sige, habulin natin yung connection. Okay? Let's see. Anyway, walang nakakuha doon sa lahat. Cries, cries, singular, plural. That's a verb with S or without ES. Verb siya. Singular, plural. Ay, nahati ulit. The correct answer is singular.
Ano ba yan? Ala!
Singular. You're kidding me. Cry.
Ulit.
It's
Lord, too late.
I'm late. Ulit.
alala. Oh,
Ala!
totoo.
Ulit.
Kayo ha? Singular. Cries, that's a verb. That's a verb. Cries with an S or ES, that is a verb, that is a singular. Okay, next, 12. Oh. Verb, noun. Okay. Ba? Focus this is Zach. Okay, let's see. Oh, Dayanta, habol. Okay, ready? Watches. Noun with an ES. Singular or plural? Watches. It's a noun with an ES. Singular, plural. Oh, at least. Ang daming nakakuha dito. That's correct. Noun, ES, that is. Ito lang, kayo talaga. O, sige, next one. O, na-memorize nyo na to. Let's see. Watches, ES, it's a verb. Singular, plural. Watches, with an ES, that's a verb. Singular, plural. Thank you. Very good. Now you're able to see the difference. Okay, you just have to remember this one, these two. Next one. Aba. Let's see. Present without an S, it's a noun. Singular, plural. Present without an S, that's a noun. Singular or plural? Very good. The correct answer, that is singular. Without an S, that's a noun. Singular. And the last one. The last one is present without an S. It's a verb. Singular, plural. Present without the verb, without an S. It's a verb. Singular, plural.
Plural. Biro lang.
Okay. Congratulations. At least, di ba? At least, may nakakuha ng mas madami compared kanina. Okay, scoreboard. Yay! At least, meron tayo nakapasok na nawa. Oh, Zach, what happened to you? What happened? Okay, congratulations, Lance. He was able to get 14 out of 15. Followed by Dayanta. Oh, there are two, but then the score is, mas mabilis si Lance pumindot. And then followed by Zach. Zach, what happened to you? Okay. At least you were able to get most of them. Okay, I will check the scores of the others, and then we will see which part do you need to improve on. So I need you to remember this one. You can now log out to Kahoot because we're going to have Factile mamaya. Okay, so, nasaan yung iba?
Maglalaro ba ulit tayo?
Oh, yes, we're going to have a game later. It's going to be Jeopardy game, so you need to work harder. Okay, it's going to be a team game. So please do not forget the, what is this? The singular and the plural, because we're going to use that in today's lesson. So we are on subject-verb agreement. You please get your pen and your pen because you need that one to take down notes on the following. Anyway, you can just go back to this one when we're done. Okay, so we are talking about the subject-verb agreement. So when we say subject-verb, when we construct the sentence, we need to consider the subject and then the verb, they should go together. So the basic principle is very simple. If the subject is singular, if the noun is singular, then the verb should also be singular. If the subject is plural, of course, it should also be plural. So for example, when we say boy, that's a singular because it doesn't have an S. Boy, that's a singular. The verb, if the verb is talks, then it should also be singular. That's the reason why we need to add S, right? So the boy talks with an S. On the other hand, if we put S to the boy, it becomes plural. And then when we go to the verb, we remove the S. They talk to make it plural verb. Are we clear? Sana. Sana clear yon. So you just have to remember a singular subject should also be followed by a singular verb. If the subject is plural, then of course the verb should also be plural. Now there are other cases where it becomes a little bit tricky. That is when our subject is introduced by a number and then the number. So, listen. When you say a number, the word is a number, that is plural. Okay? So, let's see. If the sentence is a number of guests come or comes late, what do you think is the answer?
Come.
Come without an S. Is it? Come. Tama. That's correct. Why? A number, if the sentence is introduced by a number, the verb should be plural. That's why the correct answer is come without an S. However, if the sentence is introduced by the number, that's it is a singular. So, the number of guests are increasing. The correct answer is the number singular. What's the answer? Is correct. So, again, a number that's plural, the number that is singular. Okay? So, there you go. The second one is if the subjects are indefinite pronoun. What are the indefinite pronouns? There are two. We have singular and plural. Singular, that's just one. However, if you take a look, everything, it sounds many, right? Everything. Madami naman yun. There are many in that thing. However, according to the rule, if the subjects are introduced by indefinite pronoun, the following are singular. So we have everything, everyone, nobody, everybody, nobody, and others. Those are under the singular noun, a singular subject. So they should follow a singular verb. Now, indefinite pronouns that are plural, we have some, most, both, few, several. Those words are under plural. Okay, so you have to remember that. Now, let's try. Everything is or are? Gone. Everything
Is.
is. Everything is gone. Okay, that's a singular. Everything is singular, so that is. Next one, plural. Most is are gone.
Are.
Are. Okay, so most are because that is plural. Very good. Oh, madali, di ba? Let's see. So, there we go. Let's try. Each of the kids has or have a question.
Have.
Okay, each. Remember, each.
Mom has.
Has. Okay, has. Each of the kids has. It doesn't matter if you have the following. Okay, what we are talking about is the word each that's part of the indefinite pronoun under singular. So each of the kids has. And then number 2, everything was were fine.
Was.
Was. Very good. Everything, that's a singular, so was. Somebody knocks at the door.
Knocks at the door.
Correct. Knocks with an S. Somebody, that's indefinite pronoun under singular, so singular verb with an S. Knocks at the door. So there you go. Each of the kids has a question. Everything was fine. Somebody knocks at the door. Okay, so far, are there questions? None so far? Okay, let's proceed. So, we have here number 2, measurements of length, time, distance, and weight.
Ma'am, nag-echo po kayo.
Take a singular verb. Wait a second. Paki-mute. Please mute your microphone so it won't have echo. Okay. Okay, let's go back. So, we are under measurement of length, time, distance, and weight. When we say measurement of length, how do we measure length? How long is something? Meters, kilometers, inches, feet. So, measurements of length. What about time? How long? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 1 minute. What else? Others. And distance and weight. Kilograms, pounds, and others. So listen carefully. If you have the following, take a singular verb. So singular verb. Even if that's a million times, a million length, a million distance, it will always take a singular verb. So for example, 5 meters, 5 meters, that's length. The verb is, that's a singular verb. Okay? 2 hours. Ma'am, 2 naman yon. That's 2. That should be plural. Nope. According to the rule, regardless of how much, how far, how long, it will always take a singular verb. Clear? Okay. Let's check. Oh, including money. Sorry, I forgot. Including money. Money is also singular. So let's see. 10,000 pesos blank needed for the project.
Mom is.
Is. Very good. Is. But then that's pesos. That's much.
R.
Ngayon biglang R na. Ayaw talaga. Okay, ulitin natin. Measurement of length, time, distance, weight, and money will always take a singular verb. So even if this is peso, this is too many, too
Ma'am,
much.
nag-e-echo.
Paki-mute yung microphone. Okay? Okay na? Is it already okay?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. So again, if it is, if the subject is length, money, time, regardless whether that is too much or too far, too many, that's still singular. Okay? 10 pesos, that's much, is still singular. Clear? Next one, 4 weeks. Seems too long to wait. 4 weeks. Seems too long to wait. What is that? Time, distance, length?
Ma'am,
Seems with an S. Correct. However, you check. It's weeks. 4 weeks. That's 4. It still seems. Okay, that's still singular because according to the rule, it will take a singular subject, a singular verb. Okay? So, wag malito. Kahit magkano pa yan, you make sure if it is a time, if it is money, if it is distance, even if it is plural in its sense, in its form, that is still followed by a singular verb. Clear? Clear na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, there you go. 10,000 pesos is needed for the project. 4 weeks seems too long to wait. Okay, we're almost halfway. This one is very tricky. It says there, when fractions are used, the verb agrees with the object of the phrase. So, 1/2 of the cake was consumed. Where is the of phrase? Ano yung sinasabi nating of phrase? Hello? Ano yung sinasabi nating of phrase?
Off the cake.
Of the That's off the cake. Very good. When we say, when we use fractions, you need to consider the of phrase. What is that? Of the cake. How many cakes are there?
1/2.
No, the whole cake. How many cakes?
1.
1. Very good. It's just 1. So the verb should also be 1. So 1/2 of the cake, kinain ng pusa. Ay, social yung pusa. 1/2 of the cake, that's just 1 cake. So it is followed by singular. What if I say 1/2 of the cakes were donated? What's the answer? Were. Why? Why? The of phrase is plural. So if the of phrase, you need to consider the of phrase. This one. If this is plural, then the verb is plural. If it is singular, then this one is singular. Okay? Let's see. 1/4 of the employees were, bakit nahati? 1/4 of the employees were absent. 1/4 of the employees was late. The correct answer is were. Why? What is the of phrase?
Of the employee.
Of the employee. Okay.
Employees.
Yes, that's correct. Of the employees, how many employees are there? Many. Okay? Pag sinabi mong employee lang, walang one-fourth, di pa yung kalahati lang ng katawan niya. Nako, my ghost. Okay, so 1/4 of the employees, the of phrase is employees. There are many. That's why it is were. Let's try this one para hindi nahati. Okay. 1/4 of the strawberries were rotten.
Were.
Correct answer?
Ma'am, were.
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 Why?
Ma'am, pag plural. Bleh.
If the subject is, if the of phrase is what?
Of the
Plural.
strawberry.
Yeah,
Plural.
the of phrase is plural. Correct. Strawberries, that becomes were. However, in the second sentence, 1/4 of the apple were rotten.
Was.
Was. Why? The of phrase is
Singular.
singular. Very good. Woo. Okay, so please do not forget that. If it is a fraction, you check the of phrase. If it is many, that's plural. If it is singular, it's just one that is singular. Okay, lapit na. There you go. Okay, we are down to the last two rules we have. Okay, next rule. There and here. This one's very easy. If the verb that follows there and here is singular, then of course the verb is also singular. If it is plural, then it is also plural. So there are sentences that starts with there and here, right? There. If the subject here is singular, then the verb followed by there is also supposed to be singular. If it is plural, then it is also plural. So the word change is singular. That's just one. That's why we have there is. Changes, that's many. Therefore, it is are. Let's try. There are a storm coming.
Is.
Is. Very good. Why? How many storms are coming?
One.
One. At sana hindi na madagdagan. Very good ang Philippines ngayon, walang bagyo. Very good. Okay. Here are the storm.
Is.
Is. Is. Correct. That's is. Andito na daw yung bagyo. Biglang umulan kahapon, right? Sana walang bagyo. Okay? Number 3. Here are the pliers.
Ma'am, are.
Are. Very good. There are the scissors.
Are.
Are. Correct. Scissors. Ito nga. Here are the 50 kilos of rice.
Are.
Are. Bakit? Ayun na. Kilos. Many kilos. Do not consider the of phrase because that's not a fraction. Okay? That's not a fraction. So, we disregard the of rice. Very well. Okay. This one's very easy. The next rule says there are words that are plural in form but singular in meaning. Example, news. Merong S, di ba? It has an S. However, that is just one. Mathematics. Missiles. Okay, so the news, it has an S, it sounds plural, however, the meaning is singular. Okay? So, kapag nag-echo, you check your microphone and then mute. Okay? Okay na? There. If it is, again, there are words that are plural in form, however, they are singular in meaning. So, of course, they take the singular verb. So, let's see. The news is true. The news is true. Mathematics is a branch of study in every school. Measles is a dangerous disease. So these words, news, mathematics, measles, physics, statistics, what else? What are other words that have an S but they are singular?
Physics.
Six. Physics, news, mathematics, and others. Okay, so you need to check that one. Oh, suddenly my chicken outside is very noisy. Okay, so let's see. There, politics also. That is why we have to take the singular form. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Oh, how is your math? Natapos ba? Nasagutan?
Ma'am, hard.
It's okay. Don't worry, your teacher can help you. Okay? So, mathematics is my favorite subject. Mathematics, that's plural in form, but singular in meaning. So, of course, we still take the singular is. Okay? I think that's clear. Ito na. This is second to the last. Let's see. When they combine the subjects of two sentences, the verb is always plural with both and n. Both my friend and my parents. If this is the verb, if this is present in your subject, it's always plural. Okay? Both my friend and my classmate visit me. Visit without an S. However, if you have the following, either or, neither nor. Take a look, listen carefully. The verb depends on the subject closer to the verb. If the subject is introduced by either or, neither nor, the verb depends on the subject closer to the verb. How is that? Let's take a look. Either Martin or his brothers play or plays guitar. We have here either or. And we have Martin, brothers. What is the subject closer to the verb?
Play, ma'am.
My question is, what is the subject closer to the verb? Martin or his brothers?
His
Mommy's
brother.
Yes, his brothers.
brothers.
How many brothers does he have?
There are only two.
2 and above.
Oh, two and above with an S, plural, yes. So this one is closer to the verb. So our verb is
Plural.
plural. Very good. That is play. Baliktarin natin. Either his brothers or Martin. Martin becomes closer to the verb. Our verb becomes ano na ang verb natin dito?
Mom plays.
Plays. Very good. It becomes a singular because Martin here is only one. And it is the one closer to the verb. Binaliktad lang natin. In the first sentence, his brothers, closer to the verb, That's plural. So of course, our verb is also plural. That's play. In the second sentence, Martin is closer to the verb. That is why Martin is singular. That is why we also have a singular verb, plays. Did we get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's try. So there you go. Either Martin or his brothers play guitar. Either his brothers or Martin plays guitar. Sino ang who can play the guitar? Among you, who plays the guitar?
Ma'am.
Ako, ma'am.
Ma'am, medyo lang.
Mag-intermission kayo tomorrow during our homeroom.
Yes.
Okay?
Tayo.
Magkantahan tayo bukas sa homeroom natin. And then we're down to the last one. Collective nouns. These are group. There are many in the group, but they function as one or they function as individuals. So these are example of collective nouns. Group, crowd, team, gang, horde, and others. Now the rule says, if these collective nouns function individually in the group, we follow a plural verb. However, if they function as one, then we follow the singular verb. An example, the committee plans for the program. The word is committee. There are many people in the committee. However, do they function individually or as a team? They are working as a team. So if this is a team, what is our verb?
Plans.
Plans. Very good. That's with an S. Now take a look. The family argues against each other. Nag-aaway sila.
Argues.
Argues.
Argue without an S. Right? They are against each other. It means they argue one against another. So they are functioning individually. Right?
Yes.
The committee plans for the program. They are working as a team, as one. In this sentence, their actions are individual. That is why argue. Are we clear on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so you just
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
identify if the group or the collective noun, if their actions are individual, they have their own action, another member has another action, that is plural. However, if they are working as one, that becomes singular. Okay? And it says there, that ends the rules of subject-verb. Are you ready for the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Sigurado ah? Oh,
Yes,
5
ma'am.
minutes to go over. Balikan ninyo.
Ma'am, naka-mic ka po.
How many are we? We are 19. Lahat tayo 19 na, sure kayo. 19. So there will be one team who only has 4 members. So 5, 5, 5, 4. Okay? So let's see. Our team will start from, tingnan nga natin. So the first group, group 1, we have, you remember your group ha, kasi your scores will be based on your group. So your group 1 will be Ashley, Diantha, Hanfa, Jamaica, and Chloe Chanel. Okay? Group 2, we have Kurt, Ivan, Lance, Azriel, Lian, and Jeff. Third group, we have Marcus, Marian, Mirna, and ayun lang, hanggang Mirna. Ay, Presley. Bakit kulang tayo? Ay, kasama pala ako sa 19. Okay, the third group will be Shelo, Zachary, and Zeke. Bawasan natin sa isa. Ashley, you will be group 3. Group 4. Ashley, group 4. And then, Ivan will be group 3. Kurt Ivan, group 3. Nakuha niyo yung group niyo? Ulitin natin. Ulitin natin. Yung ulit na talaga. So, there are 18 tayo. So, 18 divided by 5. Divide 4 na lang. Divided by 4. 4? 4. Your math. Okay. Group 1. Group 1. Ashley. Ulitin ko. Group 1, Ashley, Diantha, Hanfa, Jamaica. Group 1. Group 2, Chloe, Kurt, Ivan, Lance, and Azriel. Group 2. Group 3 will be Lian, Jeff, Marcus, Marian. And group 4, Presley, Shelo, Zachary, and Zeke. Okay? Clear? Okay, so there we go. So this is how we're going to play this one. On our board, so we have 4. We don't have a buzzer, so everybody can have a chance to answer. But next time we will do that. Okay, my favorite, I would like this one. 4. Auto select. Start game. So group 1, you will be penguin. Group 1, penguin. Group 2, polar bear. Group 3, reindeer. And group 4, my favorite, walrus. So, pakinggan ninyo ha. Group 1, penguin. Group 2, polar bear. Group 3, reindeer. Group 4, walrus. So, this is how we're going to play. There are categories. Oh, yayaman tayo dito. There are categories. First category is correct or wrong. Second, complete me. Third, arrange me. Fourth, make your own. Fifth, what's the plural form? And then the last one, this one is a little bit tricky. Rules. So what you're going to do is we will start from penguin, polar bear, reindeer, and walrus. So you're going to tell me which category and how much. So for example, penguin, group 1, choose a category and how much. For example, they chose arrange me 300. I will click this one and the questions will appear. And then you're given 30 seconds to complete the sentence or to arrange the sentence. If you got it correctly, you're given $300 social dollars. However, if mali, you will be given minus points. And then if you got the question wrong, pwedeng sumagot yung ibang team. Mapupunta sa kanila yung score ninyo. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's have a trial. Mamili kayo sa sa 100 kasi 100 that's the easiest. Trial tayo ng lahat tayo magta-trial. Okay, let's start with Penguin. Next time magba-buzzer tayo, okay? Wala ngayon para everybody can have a score. Let's start with Penguin. Penguin, give me group 1. Give me a category. Anybody. You know your groups, right? Group 1 is penguin, group 2 is polar bear, group 3 is reindeer, group 4 is walrus. Penguin. Anyone? Give me a category. Mamili kayo dito sa taas.
Steel.
Wala pa, Zek. Mamaya ka mag-steal. Group 1, come on. Ashley, Dayantha, Hanfa, give me a category. Ayaw yung sumagot? O, polar bear. Polar bear, give me a category.
Complete me.
Complete me 1, okay? Complete me 1. Complete me means you're going to complete the sentence. The latest news, blank. Give me a sentence. Oh. Group 2. Oh, Zeke, get ready to steal. Time's up. Walang naisagot ang group 2. Anyone can steal. Give me a sentence with the latest news. Wala? Walang gustong magbigay ng sentence?
Ma'am.
Oh, whose group is that?
Ma'am, group 1.
Oh, Penguin, the latest news?
The latest news is interesting.
The latest news is interesting. Correct. So group 1 will have 100 points. Continue. Ta-da! So that's how it goes. Okay, polar bear minus 100. Oh, reindeer. Oh, totoo na to ha. Diretso na. So, reindeer. Oh, group 2, bawi kayo mamaya. Reindeer, group 3. Give me a category. Any from the following. First category, correct or wrong. You're just going to tell me if the sentence is correct or not. When you say complete me, there's the subject. You make your own sentence. Arrange me, there are words that are not in their proper places. You're just going to arrange the words to make a correct sentence. Make your own, there's a verb or there's a word, and you're just going to make your own sentence. This one, what's the plural form? It's just like our Kahoot activity. What is the plural form of something? Then rules, you're just going to give me the rules that we have studied. Okay? Balikan natin. Tanggalin natin yung plus points para ano. Okay na? Ready na. Totoo na to. So let's start. Penguin, choose a category.
Correct or wrong?
Correct or wrong? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500.
Ma'am, 100.
100. Very easy. The question is, the computers were repaired by him. Correct or wrong? What is your answer?
Ma'am, correct.
Correct. The correct answer, correct. Congratulations. So Penguin got 100 points. Polar Bear, your turn. Choose a category. Polar Bear,
Ma'am, arrange me.
arrange me 100 to 500.
Ma'am, 100.
Come on, 100. Arrange me. Makes the happy the family news. Arrange the words to make a correct sentence.
The news makes the family happy.
Very good. The news makes the family happy. Polar Bear, 100. Good job. Bang, gagaling nga. Oh, Reindeer, get ready. Give me a category. Pwedeng pumili kahit saan.
Arrange me.
Arrange me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how much?
200.
200. The question is 1,000 price pesos the 50? What's the answer?
The price is 50,000 pesos.
The price is 50,000 pesos. The price, the question is, the sentence is, the price is 50,000 pesos. Ah, that's possible. Correct. That's possible, but we are talking about 50,000. But your sentence is still correct. Oh, 200 for Reindeer. Congratulations. Walrus, your turn. Category. Walrus.
Arrange me.
Aba? Arrange me. 300, 400, 500.
500. No.
Zeke, ikaw ang
Ay,
Come on.
300 muna.
300. Okay. Wait lang. Mamaya, pag mali, if the answer of the team is wrong, you prepare to steal. How would I know who's going to answer? You shout out your team name. So, yung unang maririnig kong magsasabi ng kanilang team name, sila ang pwedeng mag-steal. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For Walrus, for 300 pesos, eaten fourth of one was cake the.
The 1/4 of the cake was eaten.
Again.
The 1/4 of the cake was eaten.
Okay, give it another try. Again.
Ma'am, the 1/4 of the cake was eaten.
Final answer. Prepare to steal. Penguin, polar bear, reindeer, prepare to steal.
Well,
Ma'am, ay,
Penguin, polar bear, reindeer.
ma'am, reindeer.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Penguin.
reindeer.
Ma'am, 1/4 of the cake was eaten.
Very good. Walrus, the is supposed to be of the cake. 300. Bibigay natin sa reindeer. Oh, okay, bawi. So 1/4 of the cake was eaten. Balik tayo. Penguin, your turn. Penguin? Category?
Ma'am, complete me.
Complete me. How much?
Ma'am, 200.
200. The word is the players as well as the coach blank. The players. Answer? Penguin, what's your answer? 5. Prepare to steal. Okay. Steal.
Bear.
Polar bear. The players as well as the coach blank.
The players as well as the coach won the game.
Won the game. Give a verb in the present tense. Not the word won. Here the word is wins or win. Polar bear.
Ma'am, still ba?
Steal. Which team?
Ma'am, reindeer.
Reindeer.
The players as well as the coach will win.
Will win without the word will.
The players as well as the coach win.
Correct. Correct. Again, let's not use the will in the past tense. Penguin, bye-bye 200. Polar bear. Oy, reindeer. Pagbigyan niyo sila. Okay. Polar bear, your turn. Category.
Ma'am, correct or wrong?
Correct or wrong? How much?
200.
200. The sentence is either the owner of the restaurant or the fireman are to be interviewed. Correct or wrong?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct. The correct answer is correct. Why? Fireman, that's the closest to the verb. Very good. Oh, bawi nila yung 200. Congratulations. Ay, sorry. 1, 2. Oh, bawi. Your turn, reindeer.
Jet.
Category. You
Jet.
tap your numbers.
Correct or wrong?
Correct or wrong? 300, 400, 500.
300.
300. The sentence is, the presenters, along with the professor, defend the conclusions of the research. The verb is defend. Correct or wrong? The presenters, along with the professor, defend the conclusion. The verb is defend.
Correct.
5.
Wrong.
Correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Correct or wrong?
Jet.
Ma'am.
Wrong.
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 Wrong. The correct answer is correct. Why? Sorry. Why? Presenters. Many. Right? The presenters. Balik ulit tayo. Anong team yon? Sorry. Nawala ako.
Ma'am.
Reindeer?
Ma'am, reindeer.
Okay. Ilan yun? 300? 300 ba yun? 200? Oh, 300! That's okay. Walrus. Oy, bawi kayo. Walrus. Oy, pili kayo dito, oh. Madali lang dito. Walrus.
Ma'am, correct or wrong?
Correct or wrong? 400, 500.
Ma'am, 200.
Wala na pong 200. Ayaw na nila. 400, 500.
400.
4. Correct or wrong? The sentence is 24 hours are given to the accused to prove his innocence.
Ma'am, wrong.
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 The
Correct.
correct answer is wrong. Finally, congratulations. That's 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So on our scoreboard, penguin minus 100, polar bear 0, reindeer 400, walrus 100. Oh, bawi. Balik, penguin, bawi tayo, penguin. Pick a category. Bakit ayaw nyo dito? Madali lang dito, oh. Oh, penguin. Who are the members of Penguin? You're kidding me. Penguin. Ay. Justin. Penguin, Ashley, Hanfa, Jamaica, Chloe. Come on. Category, penguin. Ay. Where are you? Ashley. Hanfa. Jamaica.
Ma'am, correct or wrong?
Correct or wrong? Kapag nga may isa na lang. Team kayo or hindi? Oh, correct or wrong? Oh, correct or wrong? 500. Oh, galingan ha. Correct or wrong? The question is, neither of the two applicants is qualified. Correct or wrong?
Ma'am, correct.
Correct. Correct. The correct answer is dan, da, da, dan, ding, correct. Pwede nang huminga. The correct answer is correct. 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Congratulations. Let's go, polar bear. Give me a category. Category.
Ma'am, make your own.
Make your own. 100, 200, 500.
Ma'am, 100.
100. Give me a sentence with the word enjoy.
The students are enjoying their...
No, the word is enjoy.
He enjoy his module.
He enjoy his modules. Prepare to steal.
Ma'am, still.
Steal, which team is that? Which team?
Wardrobe.
Walrus. Sentence is enjoy.
Enjoy the... Wait.
Ma'am, still.
Ma'am,
Walrus.
enjoy playing soccer.
Again.
We enjoy playing soccer.
We enjoy playing soccer. That's correct. Sorry, polar bear.
Nice one.
Congratulations, walrus. Okay, we enjoy playing soccer. I think that's true. Okay, next question. Let's see. Reindeer, your turn. Reindeer. Reindeer. reindeer? Sino ang member ng reindeer? Oh, where are you others? Tapikin niyo yung mga teammates ninyo. Oh, reindeer, your turn.
Arrange me.
Arrange me. 400, 500.
400.
404. Okay, the sentence is, the words are players are in court, the number basketball of. Your sentence. Your sentence.
Ma'am,
Wait a second. Kanina yon? Please. Okay, let's go back. Agkud-kud dan. Sige.
ma'am,
Mm.
the number of basketball players are in a court.
The number of basketball players. Oh, my sentence is wrong.
Ma'am,
Sorry. This one is
Ma'am, still.
tama. Again. Sino yung sasagot?
Marian.
Which team is that?
Bear.
Polar bear. Polar bear.
Deer pala, ma'am.
Steel.
Wala. Steel. Which team?
Steel.
Kaninong team ang magsi-steal?
Kami,
Ma'am,
Chef.
Wala na.
Ma'am, Penguin.
Waldrus. Hello.
Penguin went first. Okay, go.
A number of basketball players are in the court.
Perfect. Correct. Sayang. Again, you have to shout out your team. That's how much is this? 400. 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sino dapat nang sasagot dito?
ma'am, reindeer.
Ay, 0 na kayo. Okay, Walrus, your turn. A number of basketball players are in the court. Next turn. Category. Walrus. Walrus.
Ma'am, what's
Huh? What's the plural form? What's the plural form? Walrus? How much? Ano na?
ma'am 200?
200. What's the plural form of ox?
Access.
Oxes? Prepare to steal?
Bear. Bear.
Ma'am,
Bear?
Oxen.
The correct answer is? Sino yung nagsabi ng oxen?
Me, ma'am.
What team?
Walrus.
Binawin nila, okay? You still have a chance when the time is still there, okay? Walrus, congratulations. The correct answer is oxen. Reindeer and polar bear. Habol. Okay, balik. Penguin, your turn. category.
What's the plural form?
What's the plural? 100 to 500?
Ma'am, 100.
100. What's the plural form of shelf? Shelf.
Still.
Wait, let's wait for the time. Shelf. Prepare to steal. Shout out your team.
Ma'am, shelves.
Again.
Ma'am, shelves.
Spell shelves.
Ma'am, SHELVES.
Correct. That's still penguin, right?
No.
Penguin pa rin ba yun?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Congratulations.
No.
Woo.
No.
That's correct. Shelves. Next one. Polar bear category. Polar bear. Nasaan kayo?
What's the plural form, ma'am?
Ha?
What's the plural form?
What's the plural form? How much?
300.
300. What's the plural form of medium?
Media.
Media. The correct answer? Media. Congratulations. Woo. This is polar bear. 300. Congratulations. 1, 2, 3. Reindeer, your turn. Category. Reindeer. Kaya pa. Marami pa, oh. Reindeer. Ha? Reindeer. Asan kayo? Come on, reindeer.
Still.
Wala pa. Reindeer category.
Ma'am, correct answer.
Correct? Wala. Tapos na yon. Oh, come on. Reindeer, where are you?
Ma'am, make your own.
Make your own. Sentence, how much?
Ma'am, 200.
200. Make your sentence using the word gathers. Very easy. Gathers with an S. Sentence, come on. Reindeer.
Ma'am, he gathers all of the information.
Correct. Woo. All right. He gathers all the information. That's correct. Okay. Those are just examples. Okay. Walrus, your turn.
What's the plural form?
What's the plural form? How much?
500.
Oh, 500. Be careful.
Kaya, sleep, kaya.
Plural form.
500.
500.
Kaya.
Okay. Ito
Sure,
na.
sure.
What is the 500? What is the plural form of leaf?
Hindi.
What's the plural form of leaf?
Leaves.
Spell.
Leaves.
Okay, spell leaves.
Leaves.
Congratulations. Oh. Okay, the correct answer, leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So on the scoreboard, we have penguin 900, polar bear 200, reindeer 200, and walrus 500. Habol. Okay. Penguin, your turn.
What's the plural?
What's the plural form? We only have 400. So what is the plural form
Ma'am,
of?
nag-echo po kayo.
Hello, hello.
Press
Hindi naman.
Okay. What is the plural form of tooth?
Ma'am, teeth.
Teeth. Spell?
T-E-E-T-H.
Okay, that's T-E-E-T-H.
Wrong.
That's
Wrong. Wrong.
That's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations. Yay. Okay. Polar bear. Hobble reindeer. Okay. Polar bear. Complete me, arrange me, make your own rules.
Ang kamadagi rules.
It's okay. Those are easy. Arrange me, complete me. Oh, polar bear, come on.
Ma'am, arrange
Hurry
me.
up. Arrange me for 500. Be careful. Arrange me for 500.
Defeat.
The, for, or either cooks, children, dinner, mother, food. The verb is cooks.
Cooks the dinner for the children.
Again, the verb is cooks.
The food. Wait, is there no capital ba? So we know what goes first.
Mother cooks
The food.
the food,
The dinner.
the dinner.
No. The mother cooks the
the
food
food.
for the children's dinner. There's no.
Hello. Hello.
Prepare to steal.
The mother.
Huh?
The mother cooks
The dinner.
the dinner for children. Or eat food or either dinner for the children.
Okay. Oh no. All right. Steal from the other team.
Ma'am, reindeer.
Reindeer. Okay, reindeer, your turn. Go.
Either the mother or the children cooks food for dinner.
Oh no. Another steal.
Ma'am, walrus.
Walrus.
The mother cooks the children's dinner.
Oh no. Another steal.
Ma'am, penguin.
Penguin.
Either the children or the mother cooks the food for dinner.
Correct.
No! Gusto ko may bagak yun.
Either the children or the mother cooks. The verb is cooks. So it's supposed to be mother closer to the verb.
Ay,
1,
May nagpaturo sa kun eh.
3, 4, 5. Polar bear. 1, 2, 4, 5. Reindeer.
Oops. Sir, hindi kami nag-answer kanina.
Ma'am, sinong ka-group ni Jamaica?
Sir, yun lang. Tapos na. Wala.
Jamaica, that's 10.
Sir, subla ng isa.
9 minus 4 ko.
Wala.
Okay. Jamaica is under penguin. Oh.
Ma'am,
Habol.
nawawala yung mga katim ko.
Nawawala yung mga katim mo.
Paano
Hayaan
yung
mo
nawala?
sila. I-review ko yung video mamaya. Yung hindi sumasagot, hindi kasama. Okay? Let's see. Nasaan tayo nag-stop? Reindeer?
Ma'am,
Reindeer? Your turn, reindeer. Reindeer. Category. try the rules. Wala? Ayaw nyo na?
Make your own.
Make your own. Okay, 300, 400, 500.
300.
300. Make your own for the word catch. Oh, easy. Catch. Sentence. Catch.
Still.
Catch.
I am catching.
Reindeer. 5.
They catch the ball.
They catch the ball. That's correct. That's correct. They catch the ball. That's correct. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 0 pa din. Okay, Walrus, your turn.
Mom, make your own.
Make your own. 400, 500.
500.
400.
Huh?
400.
400.
500.
400.
Kaya,
Make
Presley.
your own
400
sentence
or
with the
500.
following word. Praise.
The boy prays in the church.
Again,
The boy prays in the church.
Okay, the boy prays in the church. That's correct. That's okay. He prays. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Habol.
Penguin.
Habol.
Penguin.
Ano yun?
Medyo nag-e-echo.
Chris, pati-mute yung mga pag not your turn. Penguin.
Ma'am, try natin complete me.
Complete me. 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am, 3.
3. Complete the sentence. Neither you nor he. Complete the sentence. Neither you nor
Still.
he.
Neither you nor he eats the last piece of cake.
That's correct. Neither you nor he eats the last piece of cake. Congratulations. 1,
Bakit ayaw
2,
mag-steal?
3. Okay, next word. Penguin, polar bear. Ay, polar bear. Ang tagal-tagal. Polar bear. Sino ang team ng polar bear? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Group 2. Chanel. Kurt, Ivan, Lance. Oh. Go. Polar bear. Category. It's okay. You can try.
Rules.
Rules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
100.
100. Rules. What is the basic
Go na.
rule in subject-verb agreement? Basic rule. Come on, check your notes. Basic rule.
The basic rule is singular subject requires singular verb. Plural subject requires plural verb.
Perfect. Congratulations. Yay. A singular noun requires a singular verb. A plural noun requires a plural verb. Oh, nabawasan. Reindeer, your turn. Come on, rules.
Mom, make your own.
Make your own. We only have 500, kaya galing na ninyo. Make your own sentence with the word is. Oh, very easy.
Wala na. Sayang.
Still.
Mom,
Mommy is playing basketball.
He,
Still.
Still.
Ma'am, he is
Ma'am,
not
still.
successful.
Still, teacher.
Ma'am,
Playing basketball. That's correct.
Oh,
He's playing basketball. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walrus. Walrus. Galingan ninyo. Oh. We only have complete me and rules.
Ma'am, rules.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5.
500.
Sigurado?
Kaya? Kaya?
one.
Ha?
Kaya?
Kaya.
Kaya.
Sige,
Kaya.
sige.
500.
Compare
500.
to minus.
The rule for amount of money, periods of time, measurement require what kind of verb? Amount of money, periods of time, measurement require what kind of verb? 10.
Oh.
Plural, ma'am. Plural. Ay, ma'am, singular.
Time's up. The correct answer,
Singular.
Sige lang.
singular verb.
Yes. Oh,
500.
3, 4, 5. Congratulations.
Nice. May isa pa eh.
Okay, let's see. Penguin, rules, complete me.
ma'am, complete me.
Complete me for 5.
Ma'am, 4.
Or complete me, complete the sentence, 1/3 of the population. "15 seconds, 1/3 of the population." Other team, prepare to steal. Shout out your team name.
Shout out.
Reindeer.
Reindeer, your sentence is?
Ma'am, 1/3 of the population are sick.
1/3 of the population are sick. Another steal?
Aray.
Team? Wala? No one wants to steal this one. Ayaw na nilang sumagot. Ah?
Bear.
Oh, bear.
1/3 of the population is
Is? Complete your sentence. 1/3 of the population is?
ma'am, still. Walrus.
1/3 of the population is diabetic.
Oh my gosh. 1/3 of the population is diabetic. What team is that?
Walrus, ma'am. Walrus.
Bear.
Polar bear.
Atlas
Ma'am,
polar
Waldrus!
bear.
May Waldrus yun.
Walrus.
Waldrus yun, sir.
Walrus, ma'am. Walrus.
Sino yung sumagot?
Ay, naku, magkakadaya.
Bear.
Bear, that's good. Sigurado kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ala.
What's wrong with reindeer? Your answer is of the population. That's a singular, right? This is a fraction. This is singular. So that's supposed to be is sick. Okay? I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. I go. 4 lang. And then that's polar bear.
Ayos lang yan,
1,
ayos lang.
2,
Ayos lang.
3,
Ayos lang
4.
yan.
Okay? All right. Oh, your
Dami.
turn. Polar bear. Oh, habol. 4 na lang.
Rules, ma'am.
Ah?
Rules.
Rules. 2, 3, 4.
200.
Huh? 3. What? Huh?
Ano? 200 daw.
2. Okay. What is the rule for this? What is the verb required for a number and the number?
What is
the verb required for a number and the number?
The phrase a number requires plural verb while the number needs a singular verb.
Congratulations! That's correct. A number plural, the number singular. Woo! 1, 2. Habulin mo sila. Okay, reindeer, your turn. Reindeer, pangaasi. 3, 4, 5.
500.
Complete me.
500.
Complete me. Siguraduhin yung tama ito, ah. Complete me. The phrase is a number of politicians.
Ma'am, still.
Wait. Come on, reindeer.
A number of politicians are corrupt.
Come on,
Aray ko
let's
po.
go.
A number of politicians are corrupt. That's correct. The sentence is correct. Pero sana hindi totoo yon. Okay. Whew, nakahabol si reindeer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really? Walrus. Walrus. Oh, dalawa na lang. 300, 400.
100, ma'am, 400.
400.
Tiraan tayo, tiraan.
400. Walrus, what is the rule for? When either or and neither nor are used in sentences to join two subjects, the verb agrees to which subject?
Yeah. Ma'am, wait.
Bilis! 10
Wait
seconds.
lang. When neither or and neither nor are used instead as the gender subject. Agrees to which subject.
5 seconds. Prepare to steal.
Bear.
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 The verb agrees to which subject?
When either or and neither nor are used in sentences to join two subjects, the verb agrees with the nearer subject.
Correct. Subject mirror to the verb. Oh, sorry, Walrus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Penguin. Tingnan natin. Penguin. Last one, 300. Rule. Ready? Penguin, ready? Oh, prepare to steal. Baka hindi masagot ni Penguin. Rules. The question is, what is when we use fractions as part of our subject? How does it, I'm sorry, the question is wrong. How does it affect the verb? This is supposed to be it. How does it affect the verb? Penguin? Aba, sabi ni Penguin, pagbigyan ko sila para makahabol. Prepare to steal.
Ma'am, still.
Shout out your team name.
Walrus.
Walrus. I heard walrus first. When we use fractions as part of our subject, how does it affect the verb? Walrus. That's 300.
When we use fraction as part of how does it form? The fraction affect the verb.
How?
Mic test.
How?
How, Renzel?
Ba't ako?
Ano? Oh, another steal. Come on.
Wait lang.
Bear.
Bear. Okay, go bear.
In using fraction, the verb agrees in number with the object of the phrase.
Of phrase.
Phrase.
Correct. Anong nangyari sa inyo, Walrus?
Hey!
Okay,
First
congratulations. It is affected by the of
Still na
phrase.
still.
1, 2, 3. Minus 1, 2, 3. Oh, tinabla na ni Reindeer. Okay, there you go. So I hope when you go back, when you watch the recorded part of this one, pag meron pa kayong hindi maintindihan, please make sure to message me if I still need to explain something, okay? Congratulations, Penguin, followed by Polar Bear, and third on the list, Reindeer and Walrus. That's okay? Bawi tayo next time.
Everyone, thank you.
Okay, so there ends our activity on subject-verb agreement. All right. So then I will be sending you the rest of the activities. Please answer those in your modules. Andito lahat yung mga na-discuss natin. Andito lahat yung mga activities. So you can just go back there. Okay? After you answer, make sure to submit your output. Okay?
Okay po, ma.
All right. Congratulations once again. Yes, what is that?
Ma'am, si Ziki nagagalit.
Sino? That's okay. Oh. It hurts daw maglaro ng ganito. Bakit?
It's really hard.
Ano na naman ang madaya doon? Okay lang yan. Ha? Okay lang yan. So, bawi tayo sa susunod, ha? I-review ko itong natin, dapat. Oy, may nagtuturo daw sa likod. Sino?
Wala ako kasama dito, men.
Okay lang yan. Bawi tayo sa susunod na activity, okay? So, I hope you had fun and balikan ninyo yung module ninyo, sagutin ninyo. Kung hindi pa rin kayo maintindihan, you just have to message me or go back to the recording, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you very much, and I will be seeing you next week. Bye-bye. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, you may
Bye-bye.
go. Enjoy your lunch.
Be safe, ma'am.
Thank you.